Hello. I hate recording myself. I hate the sound of my voice. But I need to share this, okay? This is just the most amazing thing I ever learned, ever. Well, maybe not ever, but pretty damn close. Strawberry. You need to get rid of the greenery stuff in the stem, right? Well, not necessarily the stem, but definitely the green stuff, right? The stuff you don't want to eat. The way I've always done this is I chop off the end. And I end up losing like, at least a quarter of the strawberry, correct? Not anymore. Straw. Strawberry. Insert straw. Hopefully you can see that because I'm trying to pay attention to what I'm doing. Insert it all the way through. Hold on to your strawberry. Keep pushing, 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 pushing. Okay, cool. See what happened? Get rid of your green. There it is. Where's the stem?